Imagine walking into a room filled with the warmth of love and creativity. On a cozy mantel or a bustling desk, a vibrant symbol catches your eye, a Lego interpretation of Rob Indiana's round love sculpture. This isn't just any decorative piece, it is a tangible representation of connection, crafted by your own hands. If you've ever wanted to bring a touch of iconic art and personal expression into your home, the Lego Art Love Collectible building set is your canvas. Measuring over 10 inches high, wide, and 2.5 inches deep, this premium Brit-built 3 model boasts 791 intricately designed pieces. What makes it truly special is its faithful recreation of Indiana's original design, complete with the unmistakable red, blue, and green hues that have made the love sculpture a global icon. This isn't merely a decorative item, it is an immersive project waiting to unfold. With 2 comprehensive instruction booklets included, you're invited to share this creative journey with a friend or family member, turning build time into quality time. The Lego art range is specifically designed for adults seeking to merge nostalgia with sophisticated home decor and personal expression. This love sculpture embodies that spirit, serving as both a stunning display piece and a testament to the joy of creation. Whether you're an art enthusiast, a Lego aficionado, or simply someone who appreciates unique home decor, this set promises to deliver hours of mindful crafting followed by a lifetime of aesthetic pleasure. Use cases. Couples celebrating love. Imagine presenting this as a heartfelt engagement gift, a Valentine's Day surprise, or a Mother's Day token of appreciation. It symbolizes love in a beautifully tangible way. Art and design enthusiasts. For those who admire pop art or are drawn to iconic sculptures, this Lego art piece offers a rare chance to own a reinterpretation of a masterpiece. Home decor innovators seeking to elevate your living space with conversation-starting decor. This vibrant love sculpture is sure to become the centerpiece of any room. Mindfulness seekers engage in a therapeutic building experience that culminates in a sense of pride and accomplishment, perfect for those looking for creative stress relief. This product is perfect for anyone who has ever been fascinated by the intersection of art, design, and personal expression. If you've ever wanted to own a piece of iconic pop culture or simply wish to challenge your creativity in a fun, engaging way, the Lego Art Love sculpture is crafted with you in mind. Owning the Lego Art Love collectible building set isn't just about possessing a decorative item, it is about embracing a process that sparks joy, fosters connection, and celebrates the universal language of love. Every brick placed is a moment of mindfulness, every step a journey towards creating something truly special. The end result: a beautiful, poignant piece that radiates warmth and welcomes all who enter your home. Ready to build more than just a sculpture, to craft memories, inspire creativity, and embody the spirit of love in your living space. Look no further than the Lego Art Love collectible building set. By bringing this iconic piece into your home, you're not only acquiring a unique work of art, you're embracing a symbol of connection that will resonate with all who see it. Make the thoughtful choice to build love, one brick at a time. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases.